Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to refer someone to join Costco. So first of all, simply come here on costco.com. Over here, first of all, you need to log in into your account if you haven't already. Now here, simply hover over to the membership section, and here you are going to see the fifth option of refer a friend. So when you click on this particular option, you will be landed here on this refer a friend page. So over here, it is going to show you how you can get rewarded. So here you can just simply scroll down and look for the option of get started online. So as soon as you do this, you will be landed on the next page where you need to add your own membership card, and then you are going to get your referral link. So you can share that referral link to someone, and when they join with the help of that particular link, that person and you are going to get the sign up benefits. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.